What's up guys, Jetty from Locked In Off-Road, and in this episode we're taking the Zooks out for a Black River bash. Let's go.
Locked in, mate.
When you go off-road, mate, always be sure to lock your hubs in.
Locked in off-road. About 2 minutes into River and Chill, Sheppo's got it up to the axles. Hey! Your tie down point. You should be right. Hopefully. I think your airline might be disconnected. I just heard mad air. Yeah, I don't know if airline just disconnected or not. Maybe not. Nah. Yeah, I can hear it leaking. We're a little bit stuck here. Sheppo drove over a log. Well, actually, no, he didn't drive over it. He drove onto it. See how we go. What's going on here, Sheppo? Hook it onto your red tow hook, eh? And we'll just hook it onto the tow point on the front of this. Oh wait. What tow point on the front of this? That's not working very well. Yeah, you're gonna have to. Nah, that's not gonna move. Yeah, right. What do you want to say?
How do you, mate? in the wilderness, in the soft river sand. There's no place to mess up. You mess up one time, bud, you're gone. Look, I messed up. Messed up.
He messed up, alright.
Yeah, we'll get good. Stay down there.
Yeah, I'll stand right near it. So, we've had to pull the old winch out. And by old winch, I mean old winch. I don't even know what this thing is. It's got the best free spool I've ever seen in my life. But it's engaged off.
Still switching gauge.
And I'm just going to keep my hand here, near here, in case it doesn't stop when we go say stop.
And I've got my safety flag to stop the hook going through my head.
Yeah, Dino can't see nothing, so I'll say, oh yeah, no, he's out now, or he's not out now, which is probably what I'm going to say.
No, that's the end.
Oh, the in's also doing here, I'll give it a tap. Oh, something's biting my ear. Yeah, start it. Get me the power to it. There's a lot of clicking going on. Come on in. You can do it, mate. Deadly winches? When it's in free spool, it's still winches in.
We do that.
We can try that. See what happens once it gets tension on it eventually. Oh, she's a quick one, boys. You'll be out in no time, Sheppo. Now it's going faster. Here we go, I think we might be on. I'll get back over this side. Oh no. Come on! Winch! Yeah. Try winch in. Try winch in again. There we go. Nah. Locked in. Dino's in the car. I'm over this side. I'm so scared right now. The winch has just stopped in its tracks. Oh no! Keep tapping the motor. Oh, come on. I'm tapping you. Safety third, boys. Safety third. Tap that motor. This is something else. Hold on. There we go! We're on! Here, I'll stand here, I'll stop the zook. Tap it faster! You gotta get a rhythm going. Ay! 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 Brrrr. Get the max tracks out, Sheppo. Time to get the max tracks out.
What? You don't have a rear recovery point, mate. Hold ya. Hold ya.
Should have borrowed me tow bar, mate, before we went off. Should have known. This is a nice place to set up camp, Sheppo.
Beautiful.
Absolutely gorgeous. Pristine.
Get the max track.
He's getting the X-balls out. Not sponsored. Dig away, mate, dig away. Sheppo's jumping back in the locked and off racing zook and unlock aura. I better try jam these in to the shovels. Alright, mate. Let's see what this other one's doing. Yeah, that one's not even near the tyre. Yeah. Oh, your sunnies. Not his heat waves. Just grab the max tracks, boys. Maybe we should go forward, Sheppo. I'll put a max track under here. Turn your wheel out, then I'll put it under there. Oh, you'll have to go and give me my tire, give me my max track back. Thanks, mate. Yeah, bud. Something like that. Now turn your tyre back out. Grab the other one, Dino. If it's still there. I don't know either. I'll chuck it under the front tyre.
I don't mind.
We got the max tracks out, mate. Give us a spin, bud. If you take your front locker out, you should just spin that one tyre. Righto. I see a tree, but I'm coming for you, mate. Right out! Yeah! Righto! See, bud, you just need me to navigate for you and you'll be right. What'd you do here, bud?
Tree. I don't know how that tree's so.
I'm good at picking trees. This is the max tracks. Thanks, max tracks. Take the easy way out. These are cool. The mighty zook has risen from the sand. See how Dino goes, shall we? Oh! I don't know, put all these trees in, right? might as well take these off.
Like a G6.
I can hear the exhaust bubbling away somewhere. Just like a buggy, only chunky. Dino's keen for the third recovery of the trip.
Oh, mate.
I don't know what he's doing, eh? He's trying to get flex shots in the river. How's it going in there, Sheppo, mate?
Hey, good. It's just like
Dino, where are you, mate? Far out.
Unfortunately, guys, that's the end of this mission. I didn't get to stay for the night run. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember, stay locked in.